2004 GMC Sierra 2500 Duramax. It's actually my boss's truck. It belonged to his brother. As you can see, it's been hit in several spots. I replaced the rockers and the cab corners on both sides. Had the windows taken out, do it the right way. It had been sideswiped several times. Here's one spot right in here, right above the cab corner. And on this other side, the driver's side was really the worst side. Cab corners again, rocker panels. This spot of the door was completely smashed in. I used the stud welder, pulled most of it out. A few rock chips I fixed up there. It was sideswiped right up here on the body line. There was a big dent here. It was sideswiped twice, or by something with forks right there. The front of the door was smashed. The door probably should have been replaced, but I did what I could with it. It's hitting the front on both sides. This door had been hit on this side and wrinkled in, so I actually had to stretch that back out. So yeah, it's been quite a project, but getting close to being paint ready on the body. Then we got to take care of the bed. I'll try to keep you all tuned in on this project, so till next time.